Hi all, a very good morning to all of you. I'm Rati Kumari Jha and I'm today with the second module of Entrepreneurship Development MCQs. So as I previously said that I'll be covering all the important questions of universities. So this is the second module in which you can learn with me and we can learn together, okay? So let's start with the further questions. Okay, so the question is State industrial corporation engage in the development of our options are A. Industrial states, B. Institutional states, C. Individual investors, and the D is agriculture entrepreneurs. Okay, our options are okay. For state industrial corporation, they are engaging in the development of industrial. So it is about state industrial corporations. So of course the answer will be related to the industrial states. So correct answer is A, which is industrial states. Next question. Dash is the first development bank of the country. Our options are A, ICICI, ICICI, IDBI, C, SFC, and the D option is IFCI. So the right answer is the first development bank of our country is D, which is IFCI. Sorry. The right answer is IFCI. Next. IFCI stands for dash. What is IFCI? IFCI is the first development bank of the country. Okay. What is IFCI? IFCI is the first development bank of the country. And the full form of IFCI, Industrial Finance Corporation of India, A option. B option is Institutional Finance Corporation of India. C option is Industrial Funding Corporation of India. And the D option is Indian Finance Corporation and Institution. So the right answer will be A, which is Industrial Finance Corporation of India. Next question. IFCI has been converted into a dash. It means Industrial Finance Corporation of India has been converted into a joint stock company, cooperative society, partnership firm, sole proprietorship. Okay, so joint stock company in which there is a company and the stocks are basically shared by different shareholders. Okay, cooperative society it's about a society complete in which there are different people who are cooperating to each other. Partnership with it there is some firm and which is based on the partnership of the different people. Sole proprietorship, it means the person is the only owner of that particular property. So the right answer is that IFCI has been converted into a joint stock company. So answer A is the correct answer. So there is a lot we that now we know about IFCI, which is the first development bank of our country. IFCI stands for Industrial Finance Corporation of India. IFCI has been converted into a joint stock company. So the next question is SIDBI was set up as a subsidiary of option A, IDBI, option B, IFCI, option C, ICICI, option D, SFC. So, of course, SIDBI is the setup subsidiary of IDBI. So, the right answer is A. So, the right answer is A. Okay, IDBI. SIDBI was also the small industrial development bank of India. Okay, and the subsidiary of IDBI. Which of the following is a function of SIDBI? Which of the following is a function of SIDBI? We have different options. Option number one is extension of seed capital. Option number B is discounting of bills. And option C is providing factor services. Option D is all of the above. So the important function of Small Industrial Development Bank of India. So the right answer will be all the above because it provides all the services. And what is seed capital here? Seed capital, it is basically about the when there is some new business, okay? If there is some new business, the money raised for that particular business is seed capital, okay? That if we are starting a business that we need we need some amount of money for starting a business, that can also be called as seed capital. Okay, you can understand from this word seed, it means that the company is just started. Okay, so that's why which of the following is function seed be extension of seed capital. It means it will help the companies with to growing their seed capitals, to growing their businesses, discounting of bills, and providing them some factoring services. Next question. SFC is prohibited from granting financial assistance to any company whose aggregate paid up capital exceed A 1 crore, B 1.5 crore, C 2 crore, D 2.5 crores. So SFC is State Finance Corporation, which basically helps in providing financial assistances to the companies. It even helps in higher investment sometimes, but it needs more employment, and if your salary is better, okay, and it also increase the employment generation, it increases employability as well, but it only can provide financial assistance to the company whose aggregate paid up capital exceed 1 crore. Okay, because they have certain conditions, and okay, and they require that the employee or the people, the person or the company should have a paid up capital which exceeds this amount. Next question. SIPCOT's financial assistance is in the form of SIPCOT. This is again one of the financial institutions, okay, which provides term loans, seed capital scheme, and underwriting the capital issues. So in this case, also the right answer will be all the above. So these all are basically about financial institutions, okay, that they're going to provide us the information about. They are going to provide us loan, okay, they're going to provide us loan and different assistance when we are going to start up a new business. As I previously tell you about that, government has made a number of financial institutions for us. Okay, so that's why we can use it. And the next is question is the business development department of SIPCOT guides entrepreneurs in A. Applying for licenses, B. Approval on collaboration, C. Allocation of scarce raw materials, D. All the above. So business development department of SIPCOT guides entrepreneurs in. So these are all the options here mentioned. You can see them. So according to me, what the right answer would be that they help us in all the processes almost. They helps us in applying for licensing, approval on collaboration, and allocation of scarce raw materials. So the right answer will be all of them. And the majority of financial institutions are present in Kerala, Madras, and these locations, Tamil Nadu. Okay, so these are the major locations where these financial institutions are present. Okay, next question. TIIC is sponsored by the government of Karnataka, the government of Andhra Pradesh, government of Kerala, and the government of Tamil Nadu. So TIIC is Tamil Nadu Industrial Investment Corporation. Tamil Nadu Industrial Investment Corporation, TIIC. Tamil Nadu Industrial Investment Corporation. So of course it is sponsored by the government of Tamil Nadu, which acts as a enzyme. You can say it acts as an enzyme or a catalyst for smaller, medium, or larger businesses. Okay, this is also one of the financial institutions. Okay, next question, and it is sponsored by the government of Tamil Nadu. In backward areas, term loans for expansion or setting up a new unit are available at in backward areas. Term loans for expansion, term loans for expansion or setting up a complete whole new unit comes at A. Concessional terms, B. Differential terms, C. Standard terms, D. Specific terms. Of course, if there is some backward area, so the loans are going to come at some concessional terms. It means they are going to provide them some criteria so that they can get some concession also. A commercial banker would prefer a dash debt equity ratio over the years as it indicates financial strength of a unit. So options are declining, B increasing, C stable, and D fluctuating. Okay, so debt equity ratio. So it is about debt equity ratio. It is a term which is basically used by the bankers or in financial field, and it is about if a company have a high debt equity ratio, there will be major chances of being in under the crisis or coming under the crisis. And low equity ratio means company have lower amount of financing by debts. Okay, it means they have lower financing debts and they have lower debts and they are running the business on their own basis and they don't have the major amount of debts. It means the company is working in a better way. So a commercial banker would prefer a declining debt equity ratio because if the equity ratio is increasing, it means that the company is taking the more finance in debts or borrowing some money from the banks. Okay, next question. EDP scores content contains a general introduction to entrepreneurs, motivation training, managerial skills, D, all the above. So the right answer will be all the above, which is D. Next question. Entrepreneurial Guidance Bureau was set up by SISI, B, SIPCOT, CIIC, D option SIDCO. So here are the full forms. Small Industry Services Institute SISI Madras, SIPCOT the State Industries Promotion Corporation of Tamil Nadu Limited, IIC Indian Investment Center non-profit organization, and SIDCO is Small Industries Development Corporation. So you can see that these all are the thing of these all institutions are basically in, of South region. You can see it, okay? And the right answer will be for this question is it's C, IIC. Entrepreneurial Guidance Center was set up by IIC. Next question. Dash can be defined as a specifically evolved work plan dense to achieve a specific objective within a specific period of time. So dash can be defined as a specifically evolved work plan dense to achieve a specific objective. Okay, and the options are idea generation, opportunities, scanning, C, project, and D, strategy. So if we are doing a project, then we have a particular objective and we need to complete that particular objective in a specific amount of time. So the right answer will be project. Next question. Large investment is made in fixed asset. The project will be termed as A. Capital intensive, B. Labor intensive, C. Product intensive, D. Market intensive. So large investment is made in fixed asset. The project will be termed as capital intensive. Okay. The right answer is capital intensive. PERT stands for Program Evaluation and Research Techniques, Project Evaluation and Review Techniques, C. Program Evaluation and Review Techniques, D. Project Evaluation and Research Technique. So the right answer will be C. Program Evaluation and Review Techniques. Okay, next question. Dash is used to accomplish the project economically in the minimum available time with limited resources. So there is something which we use to complete our project economically in the minimum available times with limited resources. Okay, so we have few options like project scheduling, network analysis, budget analysis, and critical planning. So we have so many options and we need to complete our project on the right time. So the right answer will be project scheduling. If we are going to make a schedule, okay, then we can do it. Dash is a form of financing, especially for funding high technology, high risk, and perceived high reward projects. Dash is a form of financing, especially for funding high technology, high risk, and perceived high reward project. Fixed capital, current capital, seed capital, D. Venture capital. The right answer will be venture capital. It's about company, the business that we are starting, and capital. It's about land. Okay. So venture capital is about form of finances that you are funding high tech. It is about high technology. If we are working on high technology, we're taking the higher risk and there are high reward projects. So the financing will be in the form of venture capital. So it is about stakes, it is about stocks, stockholders. Next question. In Dash, machines and equipments are arranged in the order or sequence in which they are to be used for manufacturing the product. Factory layout, B. Product layout, C. Process layout, D. Combined layout. So of course the machine and equipments are arranged in the order or sequence, okay, in which they are used to for manufacturing the product. So the in product layout. In product layout, we are going to arrange them in order or sequence for the manufacturing of product. The term dash denotes bonus or financial aid which is given by a government to an industry to help it compete with other units. Okay, so there is a term, okay, which is used in which some financial aid is provided by the government to an industry to help it compete with other units. So that term is called as bounty. Bounty is the financial aid which is given by the government to different companies so that they can compete with the different startup companies and the different MNCs and work in a better way. Next question. The granting of cash subsidy on the capital investment is called concessional finance, quantum subsidy, interest subsidy, central investment subsidy. Okay, the granting of cash subsidy on the capital investment. It is about capital investment. Okay, so the right answer will be central investment subsidy. The granting of cash subsidy on the capital investment is called as central investment subsidy. The next question. New small scale industries are exempted from the payment of income tax under Section 80J is called. So new small scale industries are exempted. They have no need to pay the income tax to the government under this Article 80J. And the options are development rebate, B investment allowance, C rehabilitation allowance, D tax holidays. The right answer will be investment allowance. Next question. Dash is primarily concerned with the identification of the project demand potential and the selection of the optimal technology. Our options are A. Techno-economic analysis, B. Feasibility analysis, C. Input analysis, and the D is financial analysis. So Dash is primarily concerned with the identification of project demand potential and selection of the optimal technology. So the answer will be A. Techno-economic analysis. Okay, because we have to see the potential and the selection of optimal technology. So we need to go through all the technical and as well as economic factors too. Next question. Dash refers to some action which is a time-consuming effort necessary to complete a specific event. Dash refers to some action which is a time-consuming effort. Okay, necessary to complete a specific. Matlab, there is something which is very important, which is time consuming, but it is very important for a specific event. Okay, so the right answer will be an activity. Okay, that's it. So this is all about the entrepreneurship questions, and next time I'll come up with some more questions, and I hope you guys liked it. And if you liked it, just like the video, and you can, even if you have some ideas about some more topics and you want to know about some specific topic, you can write this in the comment section. I'll tell you about those topics also, and in the same way I'll cover the topics one by one. And if you want to see the videos of some other topics also, it's if it is about data compression or digital image processing, you can see the link in the description box. Okay, guys, thank you.